So if we look at this first side, the object with the penny, foam ball, and wooden block, we're going to draw those in. That will ensure that we have our correct answer. So if we look, we have water and oil. Well, we know from the labs that we've done, our water is always more dense. So we know this is our water, and this will be our oil. Our oil has always floated on top of our water. So we look at our penny. It sinks in the water, so right now it's more dense. It would be down here, and it sinks in the oil. So we know down here that that would be our penny. Now we're looking at the foam ball. The foam ball floats in water, so I know it would be right here, and it floats in oil. So if it floats in both, up here would be my foam ball. And then we're going to look at the wooden block. It floats in water, so I'm going to put my pencil there, and it sinks in oil. Well, if it sinks in oil, we know that would mean it's more dense than oil, so it would have, my wooden block would have to fall right here. That's my wooden block. So then what we can do, we can come over to our answer choices, and we're going to look and see if we can match that up. And looking, first we want to realize that we know water is more dense than oil. So if we look at these, we should have water more dense than oil. That's correct. Water more dense than oil, correct. Here we have the water and oil mixed together. We know those do not mix, those will separate. We can take C out. And here they have oil more dense than water. We can take D out. So automatically with the two liquids, we can take those two out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look. We should have the penny is the most dense. And if we look, we have the penny on the bottom and the penny on the bottom. It's sinking both. It is more dense. We have the wooden block between the layer between the water and the oil. It's more dense than oil, less dense than water. And the wooden block, that's incorrect. This has it there, so we can take A out, and let's just check B. We should have the foam ball. It's the least dense, and that is correct. That answer is our B right there. Dylan.